Hey, what you got on? Come here, let me see what you doing. Let me. You call me. She hungry. What you wearing? What you wearing? You gotta. Oh, you showing up that neat new waist and your big old leg. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's how you got the little tiny waist. Oh, I see. My goodness. Hello. This is what happens. See, I've been editing minding my business and she walk in like this. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? And the pretty tight toes. And the pretty tight toes. I guess I'm tricking y'all. Say tricking.
Tricking.
Yeah. How much this dress cost? This look like the one in the picture. How much? 150 baht? Another $4 dress, y'all. Just showing y'all this thing. Let me see what you look at. Let me do a little spin around. Let me see what you look like in your little $4 dress. Oh, I see. I see. Okay. You look beautiful today, baby.
Beautiful like no makeup,
Yeah, I mean, because it's natural. It's original. Thai people say original when everything's it's original. You're original Thai lady. You little Thai toes. You get your little Thai toes done. Time for some tricking. She want to get the big one. The big one.
Do you see that? Even the perfume lady can get it. I can't make this ish up. Now, as you can see, this girl is just wearing sweats and a sweatshirt and making it work. A lot of people have these bad stereotypes about women in Thailand. They think they all work at bars or massage parlors and all this. But this is a regular woman that works in the mall. You telling me she can't get it? Come on, man. Of course, my baby, look, I gotta hook her up. You know, gotta do that tricking. Because that's what y'all call it, tricking. So I'm gonna do a little tricking. Give my baby some perfume. Y'all just see what the talent is looking like. This is just some random situation, man. Everywhere you turn, you're gonna always find something cool, somewhere, somehow, some way. Look at my baby happy for the perfume. So appreciative. But anyway, let me get back to this for y'all. Boy, if I was single, y'all don't even know, boy. I would be buying cologne at this store every day till I figured this out. You dig? I know y'all gonna be hitting me up, talking about like where she at and all that stuff, man. Y'all thirsty brothers? Y'all got figured out. She was even shy. Like, I wanted her to do a Zoom drop, and she was kind of shy, or maybe she didn't understand what I was saying, but I was happy with what I got, because y'all see what it is. I can't make this up. Another win for the Dusties. This woman don't even know she fine. That's the crazy part. You know what I'm about to ask you. Y'all ready to get out the Matrix?
Get over here!
I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man, Richie Mack. The Travel OG. Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real. Well, all right, y'all. In 2023, we starting a new thing at Caddy of the Day. We're having golf dates. So if you guys are serious about getting married or having a serious relationship with a woman, I'm going to take you on a golf date. You dig? Serious inquiries only. Don't play no games. Info me at info@zoomtothailand.com and let's set you up with a golf date. You dig? Hey! Swadikap! How are you? Shy. I can't make this up, y'all. These women are willing, friendly, submissive, cooperative, all the words y'all like to say. They are that and then some, and so sweet. So here's the rules to golf date. It ain't about a smash and go. It's about seriously connecting with a woman in Thailand. Contact me at info@zoomtothailand, info@zoomtothailand.com. Let me know your story. Let me know where you're coming from. And if you're serious, will make it happen. If you guys are serious about potentially finding love on golf day, make sure to email us at info@zoomtothailand.com. In the title subject, put golf date. I'll have a small questionnaire for you guys to answer, 10 questions. If you can answer yes to all of the questions, then you got a good chance of getting in. Only the first 10 eligible people will be getting in at this introductory price, so make sure you tap in, put your deposit down, and we gonna take you on a golf date. You dig? Now for the fine print.
This has nothing to do with any sexual transactions or favors. This is not a hookup service. No one is guaranteed anything other than going on a golf date. We want to make sure all applicants understand this. Serious inquiries only. Must be over 25 to participate. A $500 non-refundable deposit is required. For the introductory price of $2,500, must travel to Thailand to go on a golf date. Restrictions apply. You dig?
FYI, it doesn't matter what race you are, what color, your age, or your height. Thais just want you to be nice to them and have a good heart. So don't trip on the other stuff. Get on down here and sign up for golf date.
Golf date.
No boyfriend?
I'm single.
You're single?
Yeah.
Tanung Sunam. Slutty Kano Suwai. Suwai Kami. Hey! You hear what I'm saying? Say hi, Mike.
Hi, Mike. I love you.
This is life, y'all. We just have fun playing golf. I know a lot of y'all don't play golf, but this is a good reason to learn how to play golf. But most people don't joke around like this on the golf course like we doing. It's usually real serious, but we turn into a party. You get it? So, caddy of the day, signing off, y'all. You know what I'm about to say next, right?
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mack, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mack, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mack, travel OG, let's go.
Oh, how do you say it?
If you เป็นตาสร้าง it's softly like I don't like you but if you more sound เป็นตาสร้าง I hate you
Oh,
In a hate, you know?
oh, I thought it meant like naughty. Like, how do you say naughty? I thought it's sukson.
ทุกคนดื้อ
But I say benta sang. Oh, I always thought it was cute. Like benta hot cute, benta sang bad. Like, but not hate you. We can't hate you. Yeah, we can't hate you.
so cute
Hey, there you go. Break that shit down, girl. I can't make this shit up. See, I figured this ish out. Y'all don't be watching the videos all the way to the end. So now, for my diehards, I'm gonna give y'all a little extra at the end of every episode, just for watching. You dig? Check this out.